Okay, so today's lesson is going to be on solving word problems where you have to divide fractions. So for this problem, we're looking at, so Vera is using her phone. Its battery is down to 2/5. It drains another 1/9 every hour. Every hour. So it's asking how many hours her battery will last. So if it's only draining 1/9 every hour, really just dividing 2/5 by 1/9. So for this one, we're saying 2/5 divided by 1/9, which is the same thing. If we do keep change flip, it's the same thing as saying 2/5 times 9/1. Now there's really nothing we can cross cancel there. So that's going to be 18/5, which is the same thing as saying, let's see, 5 goes into 18 3 times, with 3 remaining, add a decimal and a 0. So that's really 3.6. So her batteries would last 3.6 hours. So the answer you're looking for this one is 3.5. All right. So looking at the next question that was missed, I'm looking at Stephen is using 2/25 kilograms of tofu in each serving of his famous tofu dish. So it's 2/25 tofu. He has 1 1/10 kilograms of tofu. Asking how many servings can he make? So really the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say 1 1/10 would be equal to 10 times 1 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So that'd be the same as 11/10. So he has 11/10 kilograms of tofu. And he is trying to figure out how many servings he can make. So really I'm going to divide the number of kilograms of tofu it takes for one serving into that amount there. So I have 11/10, and I'm dividing 11/10. I'm dividing 11/10 by 2/25, which is the same thing as 11/10 times 25/2. Now, because normally I do that vertically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say over here, I'm going to say 11/10 times 25 halves. And I know that if I'm looking just right here, I know that 5 can go into both 10 and 25. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide. So 5 goes into 10 twice, and into 25 5 times. And then I'm just going to multiply. 11 times 5 is 55. 2 times 2 is 4. So to figure out how many servings Stephen can make, I'm going to divide 4 into 55, which give me 1. And then 4 goes into 15 3 times. So for this one, it'd be 13 3/4, which is the same thing as saying 13.75 servings of that famous tofu dish of his. All right. So let's look at the next one. So this one's asking, it says, Marcus is picking songs to play during a slideshow. The songs are 3.5 minutes long. And the slideshow is 31.5 minutes long. And so what we're trying to figure out here is how many servings are going to fit, or sorry, how many songs are going to fit in that slideshow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say this 31.5, if I rewrite it, is going to be the same thing as 31 times 2 is 62 plus 1 is 63. So 63 halves. And then 3.5 is the same thing as 7 halves. So to figure out how many songs will be in it, I'm going to take the number of minutes in this slideshow, and I'm going to divide it by the number of minutes per song. And then I'm going to use my keep, change, flip method. So keep the first number, change to multiplication, and flip the last number. All right, so if I'm looking diagonally here, I'm noticing that there's a 2 here and a 2 here, which means I can divide them into each other. So 2 goes into itself once. Sorry. It goes into itself once and once. And then if I'm looking the other direction, I know that 7 will go into 63 and into itself. So for that one, okay, 7 goes into 7 once and into 63 9 times. So 9 times 1 is 9, and 1 times 1 is 1. So that means the number of songs that will play in that slideshow would be 9. All right, so looking at the next problem, I'm going to clear that one out. A swimming pool is open for 7.5 hours during the day. The pool keeps one lifeguard on duty at a time, and each lifeguard shift is 1.5 hours long. All right, so this is how long it's open. This is each lifeguard shift. And what they want to know is how many shifts are there per day. So if each shift is 1.5 hours long, I'm really dividing that whole 7.5 amount by that. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to convert them both to improper fractions first. 7.5 would be the same thing as 15 halves, and 1.5 is the same as 3 halves. So really, to figure out how many shifts are there per day, I'm dividing the number of hours in the day by the number of hours in a shift. And then I'm going to keep the first number, change to multiplication, and flip. These two cancel out, and 3 will divide into both 15 and 3. So 3 goes into itself once, into 15 5 times. And both of these are 1 now. So 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. So there should be 5 shifts per day. If we were to reveal the answer, it confirms that right there. All right. Let me look at these real quick. We're going to do this one. This will be our last one. All right. So Nicole is playing a video game where each round lasts 7/12 of an hour. 7/12 of an hour. So each round is 7/12 of an hour. She has scheduled 3 3/4 hours to play the game. And what it wants to know is how many rounds can she play? So really, the important thing to recognize here is that the total number of hours is 3 3/4. Okay. And each round is 7/12 of an hour. So that means I'm dividing this number, which turns out to be 4 times 3 is 12 plus 3 is 15. So 15/4. I'm dividing 15/4 by 7/12, which is the same thing as saying 15/4 times 12 over 7. So there is some cross canceling I can do here because 4 will go into itself and into 12. So if I'm looking at that, 4 goes into itself once and into 12 3 times. So now I can go ahead and multiply. All right, so 15 times 3 is 45, and 1 times 7 is 7. So to figure this one out, I'm going to divide 7 into 45. 7 goes into 45 6 times. 6 times 7 is 42. And if I subtract, I get 3, bring down a 0. 7 goes into 30 4 times with 2 remaining. Bring down another 0. All right. So really it's more than likely going to be asking for that number. But let's just check. Let's just see what they said. Oh, well, it does tell us that is the answer. So it is looking for that answer right there, which is what I just got here. So my suggestion would be just to leave it in fraction form wherever possible. So that is perfectly fine. Okay, and that's it for today. I hope you guys have a great weekend, great break, and I will talk to you later. Have a great one. Bye.